In this video, we will talk about how to install Windows 11 without losing data. First, you need to download this ISO file. I have mentioned the video link in the description. You can watch that video to download Windows 11 ISO file. After downloading, right-click on ISO file and select Mount. Double-click on Setup File and click on Yes. Click on Next. It will check for updates. Accept the license agreement. Afterwards, it will take some time, so let it be. Here, you can see it's showing an options. You can change the settings as well. Simply click on Change. From here, you can select the options. If you're seeing error messages dealing with a virus or noticing any kind of glitch on your PC, then you can choose Keep Personal Files Only, which will remove your apps and settings but keep all your personal files safe. Or you can choose Remove Everything, which will completely wipe your PC and delete all your files, apps, and settings. Once you select it, click on Next and wait for a while until you see Read to Install window. Click on Install and wait until you see your login screen. So that's how you can install Windows 11 without losing data. See you in the next video.